Picture this. The early 2010s, a hip downtown co-working space. I'm about to show off my Joomla site on a mobile phone for the first time. It doesn't load. Not slowly, nope. It just doesn't load. Because my site, the one I'd spent years building, was running at multiple gigabytes for a glorified multi-user blog. So I did what many people do, and I bought another extension to fix it. A speed optimizer. What could go wrong? And then I broke 3 other things in the process. Paid support to hunt down conflicts, days with screenshots, different time zones, another subscription for better hand-holding. That's not mastery, that's dependency. And then I tried something desperate. I installed Moodle alongside Joomla. Open heart surgery on a live site. It technically worked. And it made once and for all everything absolutely impossible to maintain, with 0 time left to create the content I actually cared about. And then came the week with the payment gateway. Multiple people, endless screenshots, until someone new says it should be HTTPS, an S, 1 letter. That's when it clicked. I had been paying people to change light bulbs. I didn't need more extensions. I needed to understand what Joomla already does out of the box. I discovered that core Joomla and the Astroid Framework had me at least 90% covered. This channel teaches you what you already have. Tutorials, real projects, clean slate methodology. Subscribe, check out the playlists for the complete learning path, and remember, components aren't the enemy. Dependency is.